Morning everyone. Today I am going to tell you the story of our first lesson, 3 questions. So this is the story of a king who wanted to know the answers of these three questions. He thought that if he would know the answers of these 3 questions, he would never fail in his life. What were the 3 questions of the king? The first question was, what is the right time to begin something? किसी भी काम को करने का सही वक्त क्या होता है? His second question was, which people should he listen to? किन लोगों की बात उसे माननी चाहिए? कौन से लोग उसके लिए most important होते हैं? And the third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? किंग के लिए सबसे important काम क्या है करने के लिए? So to know the answers of these 3 questions, the king sent his messengers throughout his kingdom to find out the answers of these 3 questions. He announced that if anyone gave the answers of these 3 questions, the king would reward him. So many wise men or scholars came to the king's palace. Some advised the king to prepare a timetable to do the work at the correct timing. Some suggested that the king should avoid or should abandon the foolish pleasures and should notice all over the things which is happening around him. But some of the people suggested him that the king should have a council to take decision properly. But some other suggested that, while some other people suggested that to do the right thing at the right time, the king should know the future, and only magician could do that. So the king would have to go to the magicians. In the answer to the second question, some people suggested that the king should listen to the priest. Some suggested that the king should listen to counselors. Some suggested that doctors, and some suggested for soldiers. And in the answer to the third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? And in the answer of this question, some people suggested that the science is the most important thing. Some choose fighting, and yet others said that religious worship is the most important task for him to do. The answers of all these people were so different that the king was very baffled. He didn't reach at a proper decision. So as he was not satisfied with these answers, so he gave no reward to anyone. So the king decided to go to a hermit. A hermit means sannyasi, okay, who lived in woods. Woods means jungle. जो जंगल में रहता था एक सन्यासी. The king decided to go to him to know the answers of these 3 questions. The hermit only saw very simple people. He never came out of that forest. So the king wore very ordinary clothes. He left his horse and bodyguard before reaching the hermit's hut, and he left alone. When he went to the king's hermit, what he saw that the king was digging the beds. He asked the hermit that I want to know the answers of these 3 questions. Please tell me. And the hermit didn't give any answer to him. He kept digging and digging. So the king said to him, please give me this spade. You would be tired. I will dig for you. The hermit sat beside the king nearby on the ground, and the king started digging. After every now and then the king was asking his questions, but the hermit was not replying his answers. So what happened? In the evening, a wounded man ran towards the king and the hermit. The wounded man was a bearded man, and his hands were pressed against his stomach. It was bleeding very badly, and he fainted. Then the king removed his clothes, and he saw a large wound on his stomach. The king washed his wound and changed his clothes. Then after some time, the bearded man or the wounded man asked for something to drink. The king went for some fresh water to get for the bearded man. And then in the night, the hermit and the king took the wounded man into the hut. And in the next morning, when the bearded man awake, then he apologized to the king. He told him that he was his enemy. The bearded man came to kill the king, but the bodyguard of the king, he wounded him, he injured him, but the king saved his life, so he was very obliged, or he was very grateful to the king. He told the king that the king had killed his brothers and take away all his property, so he came to kill him. But as the king saved his life, so now he wanted to be his servant, and the king was very pleased to listen all these things. He told him that he would give all his property to him back, and he would send his servants and doctors to take care of. The king was very pleased that he won an enemy without any fight. And when he was leaving the hermit's hut, he asked again the hermit the answers of his 3 questions. There was still a wish in his mind to know the answers of these 3 questions. Then the hermit told him that, तब hermit ने उसे बताया कि जब मैं डिग कर रहा था, when I was digging the beds, तो किंग ने कहा था कि मैं डिग करूँगा, और इस वजह से वो वहाँ पे रह गया. अगर किंग वहाँ चला जाता छोड़ के उसे, अगर किंग हर्मिट की हेल्प नहीं करता, तो वो बेडेड मैन किंग को मार दिया था उसने. और तो कहा हर्मिट ने कि उस वक्त पे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम क्या था, हर्मिट की हेल्प करना. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट इंसान उसके लिए क्या था उस वक्त पे, हर्मिट. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग क्या था उस हर्मिट की उस वक्त पे, हेल्प करना. एंड आफ्टर देन व्हेन द बेडेड मैन केम टू हिम, और जब बेडेड मैन उसके पास आया किंग के पास, तो उस वक्त पे सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम क्या था, वो टाइम जब बेडेड मैन उसके पास आया था. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन उस वक्त पे कौन था, वो खुद बेडेड मैन. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग क्या था, उस वाउंडेड मैन की हेल्प करना. सो द हर्मिट अल्टीमेटली टोल्ड हिम दैट द राइट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम इज़ द प्रेजेंट टाइम. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम और सबसे सही वक्त किसी भी काम को करने का होता है प्रेजेंट टाइम. एट दिस मोमेंट, ये मोमेंट जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है किसी भी काम को करने का. विच पीपल शुड यू लिसन टू, कौन से लोग सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, उसका क्या आंसर दिया. द मोस्ट नेसेसरी पीपल इज़ द पर्सन यू आर विद एट अ पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. किसी एक पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे जो पर्सन आपके साथ है, वो पर्सन ही सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. वट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर हिम टू डू, और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम क्या होता है करने का. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग और बिजनेस टू डू इज़ दैट पर्सन गुड. और उस वक्त पे सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट काम होता है उस सामने वाले इंसान की भलाई करना, उसके लिए कुछ अच्छा करना. तो द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ कि अब मैं आपको पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टाइम क्या है, प्रेजेंट टाइम. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सन क्या है, आपके लिए मैं और मेरे लिए आप. और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग क्या है, फॉर यू टू स्टडी, टू डू गुड फॉर अदर्स, बिकॉज टू डू गुड फॉर अदर्स, दिस इज़ द ओनली रीज़न फॉर विच वी हैव बीन सेंट इन दिस वर्ल्ड. So do good, have good. Thank you. May the rest of the day be nice to you. Thank you.